to another StereoPhoto Maker tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about automatically auto-aligning large sets of images. So if you've come back from vacation or from a day out photographing and you've taken a lot of shots, this will allow you to run the auto-align algorithm on them without having to step through them one by one. So if you have just a handful, it might be just as easy to step through them one by one, but for large numbers, maybe over, say, 5 images, it's probably worth your while doing the automated method. There are actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the one that uses the built-in auto-align capability of StereoPhoto Maker. There is another way to do it using the external StereoAutoAlign program. I will make a separate tutorial on that. That latter method is with StereoAutoAlign is probably faster and more accurate, but it is a little bit involved. So for now, I'll just show you the simple way to do it. Um, Here is the directory that I have my images in, and I'm going to create a new subdirectory in it to put the aligned images in. Out of force of habit, I call that stereo JPEG. For this, where my input images are already JPEGs, but sometime I formed this habit when I was mostly aligning MPOs to distinguish them. But anyway, you can call this whatever you like. Just remember what you called it. Um, and we'll drop that for now and go to File, Multi-Job, and you have to scoot all the way over carefully to the right here to choose the choices within the submenu, and the one we want is multi-conversion. So I've already navigated in here to my demo area that has my images in it. And I have created in here as mentioned, this stereo JPEG area. So we'll be specifying that for the location to put the output files. My input files are side by side, and the output file type, so I'm clicking this radio button. If they were something else, you would want to click these and set them up to read in your images that way. For the output file type, I would like those to be side-by-side JPEGs, so I'm going to leave that alone. And then in the adjust directory here, I'm going to just click on auto alignment. That's all I want to happen. And I'm going to browse to the stereo JPEG area here for the output file. So they're going to go in here when I do this. If you only want to do a few files, you can select them in this window and then click on Convert Selected Files. I usually do all files, so I'm going to click on that. And it tells me I've got 6 in there. Do I want to start? And I'm going to say yes. And it shows you its progress as we go here. It's telling you how many points it's found between the two images and how long it took. And it's done already here and tells you the total processing time. So we're going to exit, and that's it. It has auto-aligned those images. If I go to my original directory here, my original files, if I go to Stereo JPEG, I've got aligned files for all these things. So one thing I should point out is that it's a good idea to go, before you do this, to go to Edit Preferences and go to Adjustment, the Adjustment tab, and make sure that Auto Crop After Adjustment is checked. That gives you a neater output so that there's not any excess image area on either side, as can happen if you don't check that box. So worth pointing out, probably should have done it earlier. So that concludes this tutorial on mass auto alignment using the built-in alignment method in StereoPhoto Maker.